How to amend a tax return TurboTax. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can amend your tax return based on the TurboTax support page. Now here it says if you have filled your tax return with TurboTax but you need to change it, and if you already have filed it, then you cannot get the return back. But what you can do is amend your tax return and file it again. You can do this using TurboTax. Now you might need to file an amendment return if any of the following are true. You got more documents or tax forms in the mail, you need to correct something on your return, you need to add or remove a dependent, or you want to take another credit or deduction you didn't take the first time. Before you amend your return, there are a few things you need to know. The first one is you have to make sure you got your refund or paid your taxes due from the originally filled return. You want to make sure the government does not get confused with your money, so the original return needs to be squared away before you amend. The second thing is print a copy of your original return and have it right by your side when you start to amend in TurboTax. The third one is you can amend this year's return only with this year's version of TurboTax. If you want to amend your return from a previous year, use that year's version of TurboTax. To start your amended return, you have to go back to TurboTax, open the return that you already sent in, and on the first page you see, click on the link to amend your return. Before you amend only if you need to change on a return you have already filled. Wait until you get your refund or paid your taxes. Have a copy of your original return at your side before you start, and you have to be sure that you use the correct year version of TurboTax. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.